and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. In today's video I'm going to talk about the simple step that when we implement in our daily styling we can look at least 10 years younger. First step that I'm going to try to escape from pattern, especially big pattern, and I am focused much more on the monochromic look. I know that the monochromic look, they are going stronger from season to season, and is nothing wrong when we try to look younger, slimmer. We try to look much more sophisticated. Even when you create monochromic look, our clothes looks much more expensive. That without further ado, let's go into the first styling advice about the monochromic look. At first it may seem that such uniform styling are boring, but nothing could be wrong, further from the truth. Monochrome opens up imagination for creative combination. For example, combine sweater with leather midi skirt or jeans or trousers and complete the whole outfit with the jacket and a gray or black accent bag, ankle boots, loafers or Mary Jane shoes. If it gets really cold, you can add warm ankle boots or comfortable snow boots. Monochrome means that each element of the outfit doesn't need to be the same color. It is best when they are different shades in the same tone that create the elegant harmony. We have to remember about the balance of the proportion. Choose fitted trousers, add up oversized sweater, shirt or jacket. Whilst we wearing the white trousers, tighter turtleneck top will be perfect, as it will emphasize the waist and give the silhouette the perfect proportion in which this balance gives the youthful look. I try to put additional example that when I went out, I was wearing much more monochrome look in the gray color. It was not definitely the same shades of the gray, but I put like top, much more fitted top with waistcoat, pleated gray skirt, pair with the gray jacket that I created totally monochrome look, the same gray color, but chosen the shoes, white silver sling bag. I have chosen the biker boot. I added the leather trench coat and pair with the black loafers, and I put the gray socks. And another outfit, I changed trench coat in the color beige. I was putting a lot of accessories that is very trendy this season, like the pearl, white pearl. They are from Zara. You probably have seen it a lot of them, that they give you the much more youthful vibe. The second tips that I'm following is choosing much more tailoring clothes. I am petite, that means I know when I will put very baggy jeans or baggy sweater, I look much more even smaller and bigger. Apart from giving you much more youthful look, tailoring clothes, they adding you much more high by wearing. By choosing the tailoring clothes, this is the secret that can truly transform your look. Choose at least one of the pieces that fits your body perfectly. Enhancing your natural shape with instantly gives you polished, youthful look. The clothes that fit well create clean lines and highlight your best features. A well-fitted outfit making you appear more elegant, which is also associated with youthfulness. Go for well-fitted blazer or dress that is more focused on your waistline. Baggy clothes, like I mentioned, it can give you a frumpy and older look. Just will be hiding your beautiful natural feminine shape, adding your unnecessary weight to your body. Oversized sweater, shapeless dresses and baggy pants making you look much more larger, and definitely tailoring clothes to fit your body will create a much more flattering and youthful appearance. The first tip definitely follow for a long time is wearing a jeans, much more dark color navy jeans with the tailoring button down blouse. It can be white, can be any other color, but I always trying match with much more comfortable flat shoes like loafers or ballet season, or if you wanna have much more casual look just with your favorite trainers. But this look, when you put over your beautiful blazer, much more tailoring blazer, this give you very very natural and youthful look. And by adding to this outfit some color, that is, I would even mention about the accessories, just put around your neck some trendy pieces like this season is the scarf, or jewelry like much more chunky earrings and necklaces, or even bracelet, that if you wanna go with the youthful look, you have to add these accessories that they are trendy, some chunky earrings. This is definitely uplifting your youthful look. Like I'm matching with the leather bomber match jacket with blazer leather, that is still in trend and give you definitely much more youthful look. One more tip that I will talk about the accessories, about the scarf and gloves. I've seen it on the runway. One of the hottest trends on this season is when you putting your glove behind the belt, that is like something attached to your coat, and you just create the wow effect that delights. And if you want to stand up in the crowd, don't hesitate to add this original accent to your styling. Another trick is scarves, but not only in the classic way, tie around your neck. This fall can use a scarf to put into your ponytail or tie around your wrist as a bracelet or even as a belt. And when we talk about the accessories, I've seen it a lot for this season, that it give you the much more youthful look. The small bag, like very small bag wearing as a crossbody, but what I thought that they are not really functional, that on the daily our styling they won't really make any sense to our clothes, but I would definitely not include to my wardrobe. When you're talking about the bag, obviously if you wanna keep a youthful look, the bag that they have nice structure, the most important that the bag is in the good quality, like a much more quality leather. Doesn't need to be the designer bag, but should be have nice structure. To look younger, we should keep like much more updating our wardrobe with the shoes. The shoes should be much more in shape. Like this season we have like a lot of ballet, a lot of Mary Janes with the patent leather, with the leopard leather. We have some of the shoes we should keeping much more update to look younger. This is the thing, that if you want to look at least 10 years younger, you have to follow the trends. It's no way that when you talking about the classic clothes, if you're wearing the classic only clothes, it's nothing wrong, but you will see much more outdated if you don't even add up one piece to your wardrobe that is trendy for this season. Can be very small, can be car, can be just small details in your outfit that they give you the vibe that is something trend. I know that all the color, it's the big matter when you want to look younger. We all love dark colors, especially black, that look always very sophisticated, but don't limit yourself to only dark color. And instead of classic black, choose a deep shade of brown, for example chocolate. It looks elegant, luxurious. This season is about a much more earthy color, like I would say the khaki color, graphite color, burgundy color, is about the olive green color, that when they matching together, especially like brown and olive, they give you very beautiful and youthful look. The burgundy matching with the gray, much more vibrant and more energetic, like the youthful is about it. One more like bonus, I will add up some white color or white t-shirt around our neckline. This give you instantly much more younger look. Trick that I read and I implement in my daily wardrobe, and it really works. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.